Okay, here we go, part 2. Oh, point 2. So it'll be something point 1, and then this will be point 2. So we have number 15, V. So something I always do is look at the number and then check on the little handy dandy checklist here. That is the number that I am doing, so V is 15. So just check it out. Check it out. Okay, and then start doing V. What genre of music do I like? I love Disney. I like musicals. I like anime intro music. Yeah, that's about all I know. Lol. Okay. Thing is, I don't know if it's copyright. If I hear the songs through my headphones and then sing it out loud, is that still copyright because I'm using their words? But doesn't everyone sing differently, so then it's not copyright because it's your own, you're using other people's word but using your own voice. So is that still copyright? I don't know. Someone please tell me. Or maybe not, because no one sees these videos. Hilarious. Oh, well, you can't see. I'm so sorry. No, I put it in the wrong hole. No, I swear I was always that one kid that always looked around at the adults to make sure they knew what they were doing. You know, when you see somebody do something and they look super confident about it, you're like, yeah, that person knows what they're doing, they know what they're talking about. And then you see another person do the exact same thing but have less confidence. And then you think, wow, that person does not know what they're doing at all. So let's follow the person that does know what they're doing. And if you ask them questions, they know how to answer most of them, which is always a good thing. Like at work, there's this one person that's been there for ages and knows absolutely every question you can ask. Ask anything, they know the answer exactly. And it's really good. I really like those people that know everything. Makes you feel knowledgeable just sitting next to them. I don't know why we're starting from the back. Yeah, let's keep going from the forward. Oh, lol, there's only 2 left, I think. Unless I missed something out, if somebody can see that. Anybody see that? Oh, I can't see it. Or we might see it later, like this number 7 over here. This one. No, 2 escapees. So N. Oh, someone was trying to spell open today. And so I said O-P-E-N. And they wrote down M. M for mummy. And I was like, no, it's N. N for necklace. Because that was the only thing I could think of that started with N other than none. Oh my gosh, you know that song in Mulan, the original one? It says, the will make a man out of you, and they're going to go defeat the Huns. I always thought it was that they were going to defeat the nuns, and I was like, why are they going to fight some nuns? I thought that was religious. And then I told my sibling, and they laughed at me. It was very sad, but also kind of hilarious. You know, Huns, nuns, kind of funny. I also found out that you can't actually see who saw your videos. You can see that people saw your videos, but you can see how many people saw your videos, but you can't see who saw your videos. Which is apparently to stop you tracking who's looking at your videos. Which is fine, I guess. No, actually, yeah, when I told the people that I follow on Instagram about it, Then I got 10 views on the first video that I made, and then nothing afterwards. So I must have watched like the first minute and was like, yep, this is boring, bye, and then just clicked off it, which is fine. It's totally fine. Just because I find it satisfying to see someone do this doesn't mean that everyone finds it satisfying. Also, there must be some people out in this world that find it satisfying to see someone do diamond art. You know. Ooh, look, we nearly missed two. Oh, look at that. Lucky. Lucky me. Oh, I really want to get my ears pierced, but also I'm so scared that I'm going to get an infection from getting my ears pierced. So we're also putting that off. But if you would ask me, would I rather have my ears pierced or have a cat? I'd totally have a cat first. Okay, plus. Ooh, this is a nice color. Look at that. It looks totally different on here. It looks so weird. But in person, looks very nice. Wait, was there only one plus? Wow. Literally. Wow. I can't see any more pluses at all. They're all just 4F. Did you know there are some people in this world that don't have internal dialogue? So it's just silence. I mean, I don't mind silence either. Silence is pretty good. So number 4. I also have an additional 4 packet, which you might have seen in my previous video of the desk tour. It's named What's on My Desk. Isn't that funny? And then the room one is What's up in my room, because we're looking up, like up on the walls. I thought that was kind of funny when I made those. They were not intentional, but it is funny once you think about it, in my opinion. Oh, I'm sorry you guys can't see anything. Yeah, I really like Mariah Elizabeth's videos, but she must spend a lot of time editing and finding all those memes of herself. And how much storage does she use, both on her Mac and just in real life? Must be insane. Okay. You know what I want to improve? I want to improve my accuracy of reading upside down. Because sometimes you have a child who wants you to read their book, but they want to look at the picture. So you have to read it upside down. And also I think it was just a cool flex to have. Oh lol, I didn't even put down wax. Wow. I was just poking at nothing. I was poking at ear. Ah, oh, satisfying sound. What are some good Netflix shows you have watched? Well, I'd say Big Bang, The Big Bang Theory, big fan of that. Love Sheldon, Ranj, Leonard, and that other guy, Howard. I must say, Howard's character arc is absolutely phenomenal. And then also watch Young Sheldon, that's pretty good. They're getting out a new season, which is very cool, but I won't watch it until it all comes out on Netflix, so then I can just binge watch it all in one go. I, however, have seen the spoiler of the dad dying, but we kind of already knew that because in The Big Bang Theory he refers to it a little bit. And then I've also watched Gilmore Girls. That was pretty cool. I like their little conversations they have and how much junk food they eat, yet still remain so skinny. Although I have heard that being super skinny is also an illness. No, there's an illness that, or some order, something or other, that no matter how much you eat, you'll still not gain fat, or something like that. I think one of my classmates had that, or has that. I don't know if it's curable or not. Other shows, I watched Wolf Blood. That was pretty cool. I liked that until the main character left. That was so sad, to work on studying. Then Dance Academy, the Australian one. That's pretty cool. I actually don't like Tara that much. I like Sammy and Katrina more. And also Grace. Grace is complicated but cool. And it's 1 in a million. Natural talent. Naturally talented. Like she says, how does a naturally talented person know if they actually like it? If with just a little bit of effort, they can do it effortlessly. Oh, you know what I also want to do? I want to make those stars. Also in my previous video of the desk tour, those white stars, but now we're going to make some colorful stars. And then, you know that jar, that Gongcha teddy bear that I had in the other video in my room tour? That one, I want to fill that up with colorful stars. I don't know if I should do them layer by layer, like do a whole bunch of red first and then orange, making a nice little rainbow, or just do them randomly and shove them in. Apparently you get those the sheet to make the stars from Wickles. So tomorrow, that is the agenda. Going to Wickles to buy that, and also to get some groceries. The midweek groceries. I'm running out of apples. And I also want to get some assortment of nuts so I can make a little nut box and eat them when I get home because I'm super hungry. Do you think this is going to be enough for all of these? Do you think so? If you do, put it down in the comments. Even if you don't, it doesn't matter. No, even if you don't, it's a-okay. Now, when someone asks me, what do you want to be when you grow up? My answer still is, I have no idea. I know what I want to have in my life. I want to have a stable job, have high income, be able to look after my pets, have everyone around me be healthy, you know, all that good jazz. But what do I actually want in life? I can't tell you that answer. I want to have a healthy body, a healthy mind. Because if you think about it, you only have the one body for the whole 100 years you live. If you think, if say a typical person's lifespan is 100 years, you only have the one body. That means you're using your body parts for 100 years. So you better start taking care of it right now. Or not. So I don't know. I think I should. But then other people don't agree, and that's okay. Ooh, I processed through an Amazon order yesterday, and I'm gonna get some nice pink cuffs. They're supposed to be for a spa, right? So when you're in the bathtub, I don't know, so your hands don't get dirty. I don't really know what the purpose of it is in a spa. But if I wear them here, then it will help keep this bit warm. And also so it won't be like I'm using this bag to slide across, but also have like an extra layer of protection, I think. And also getting a headband, because I've seen so many people get that. And also because I have a bunch of hair in front of my face. And it's always there. It's like ready-made bangs that I did not want. And they're just always there. It would be nice to just put it back once in a while. It is so windy. Yeah, one time I made a song about being hungry. I am so hungry, I need to follow a long, long road. When I get there, I'll be so happy. So, yeah, I kind of forgot the words, but it was about being hungry. This was one time I got so hungry that I thought I had a tummy ache. It's kind of insane. Oh, yesterday I had Hell's Pizza. Chef's kiss, phenomenal. Their dessert pizza is so good. It's got custard, blueberries, bananas, some sort of sauce, all on a good pizza base. Tasted pretty good. It's also my second time only having that. Oh, it tasted so good. Oh my gosh. Yeah, anyway, so Netflix shows. What other shows have I watched? I watched some of the anime ones on there, like Komugi. I think that was kind of weird. But also that lady's, oh no, is it Kage Rigi or something like that? The gambling one. That was pretty cool. And then I tried Black Clover, but I just can't watch it. It's just too slow for my taste. And then, yeah. What other shows have I watched? I watched the Fate one. They're like, oh, Ginny and Georgia. That one was deep. I like the movie Coach Carter. The dictatorship. I like being told what to do. That's kind of nice. Oh wait, this is full. I'm so sorry. So it should be right there. Okay, number 10. Oh, this is the last one. I also seem to be missing an A right here. How long has that been sitting there and I didn't know? Probably for the last 30 minutes. Okay, let's do number 8, which is A. Wait, what? No, we're gonna do it. Put this at the back of the list here. Okay, so number 7. Just the one number 7, because I forgot it once. Yeah, I was listening to other people's lives, the podcast, well, the thing on YouTube, and there are some very interesting lives out there. Oh, you can't see it. I am so sorry. This is a nice color. I got asked today what my favorite ice cream flavor was, and I gotta say, so there's a shop called Duck Island here. Pretty sure it's pretty universal, but in Duck Island there is a flavor called Ambrosia, which, as you know, or you may not know, which I will now tell you, has, it's pink. The ice cream is pink. It's also got chocolate shards and those tiny little marshmallows you get on hot chocolate. It tastes really good, and you can also get tubs of them and to bring home. But Duck Island has a very good deal, which is nice. Oh guys, we're nearly at the end. Oh man, I just said guys. Oh, that's so annoying. Although it's not guys because it's just me, it's just a person, so. Oh look, we're at the end. Don't need the guys. We're nearly there. Just all the ifs. Free fun. Boop, boop, boop. Wait, man. Come on, just stick. See, that's when you know you're gonna change the wax. Yeah. And when it gets all white like that as well, it's also when you know you need to change the wax. You know, at work the other day, I read this book. I read 20 pages of this book upside down, and my workmate that was there at the time laughed, which is quite encouraging, you know, when they like make a reaction or something to it, and then it makes you want to do more. It was very interesting trying to sound out words upside down. I do want to read the Harry Potter books upside down, but I don't know if that's copyright or not. Maybe someone can tell me in the comments down below. Yeah. We are nearly done. Anyone knew what that song was? It's Holy Holy from Sister Act 1, when the main character's name, which I've forgotten, she gets the choir to sing in tune for the first time and then gets a whole bunch of people from outside in, which is pretty cool, and they sing that song. Very bop it song. Hello, I just changed it. Why is it being difficult? Oh, look at that. It's all done. Woo, now we just have this middle section here to go. Oh, that reminds me of the Sound of Music. The main character name is Maria. And Julie Andrews. Oh, Julie Andrews. She's been in The Princess Diaries, the voiceover for the mom in Despicable Me. Her debut was My Fair Lady, apparently. She's really old now though, but she makes a great grandmother. I actually did choir at school as well. Let's talk about co-curriculars, shall we? So, in year Okay, so junior school, I was librarian because I really like to read. In year 5, got really into reading. Apparently, I was very bad at reading when I was younger. But now we are older and we got better. Hurrah. I think the first series I ever officially finished was The Warrior Cats. It was recommended to me by a friend. By 2 friends, they were both really into it at the time. I talked about it a lot. Oh, no, maybe it was Harry Potter that I read first. I don't know, my cousin and I discussed it a lot when we were walking and such. He had such good answers. Yeah, so I did librarian. Then I was also in the choir. And then in year 6, I got into the addition choir. Apparently by then I could start singing in tune, which is very useful for singing in a choir, as one does. What else did I do in year 6? Oh, I also joined a band. Started playing clarinet then. Not getting lessons, just getting lessons from my sibling. The band teacher. Now, she was so funny. She had the same sense of humor I did. She was such a bop. But then she had to leave. But she was there for like nearly 10 years. So when I was in year 5, she just started, I believe. And then she left when I was in year 11. So do the math, kids. I'm sure you can figure it out. Okay, and then we come to year 7. What did I do? Pretty sure I did debating of some sort. Oh, actually in year 6 I also saw my parents signing up for this singing, acting, co-curricular thing where we sung Let It Go from Frozen because it just came out. But it was the sad version, not even the full version. It was the sad kid version, which I was super sad about at the time. But now I know the full lyrics, so it's all good. I don't remember what I did in year 7. I did Taekwondo in year 8 and 9. And then year 10 I started doing librarian. I was also in choir. You know, I had this teacher. He came in year 10. Everyone's very scared of him. But the first thing he said to me was, I know a person that has your name. You have high expectations to live up to. Like, why would you say that as the first thing to say to a person? But he was kind of funny. In a good way. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it's nearly been another half an hour. Normally it doesn't take this long. Maybe it's because I'm yabbering as I go. I don't know. Let me know down in the comments if you like this or not. Not that anyone can, because no one watches these. Well, we're nearly at the end, and then I'll do my end bit that I have not made yet. So we're just going to make it up right now. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. And if you didn't, why are you still here at the end? Stay tuned for the next video. Should be coming out tomorrow. I try to upload something every day. Yeah, please subscribe. It's free and only takes 2 seconds. And like the video and comment if you really want to. Yeah. So maybe that was a bit early to do the ending because I haven't actually ended yet. But that's the work in progress. Whoop whoop. Okay, till next time, people of the internet, thank you for watching.